Okay, calm down. It is not the end of the world. You what? You don't need that right now. It's orange and on the board. Van S, same as it is every day. Put that sticky note in your book box. Hey, TJ. Hey, Dad. Oh, hey, Alexandra. Good to see you up there in the corner. Hi. All right, Kaylee's there. What about the rest of us? Hey, you guys know how to get your journal and your pencil. Press the blue button. Just wait. That's what it says. So we're not reason I'm just waiting. If it still says that, come help you. Morning. Go ahead and get your paper and pencil. Oh gosh, plug that in. Look at July getting so quick about it. Good morning, Aaliyah. I can't see you, but I see your box. There's Aaliyah. Now I can see you. I wonder where everybody else is this morning. Travis, put that little hand down. Why do you do that? What is it? I don't, what's it say? Use words, Travis. I can't hear you. All right, friends, we're going to give it just a little minute. And then we get started. TJ, you look sad. Don't be sad. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get started. All right, here is our word problem for today. It says, Jesse and Carl were comparing the beads they picked up. Not sure who Jesse and Carl are, but they apparently picked up some beads, okay? Jesse picked up 9 beads, okay? Jesse picked up 9 beads. 5 of them were red. So he picked up 9. 5 of them were red, and the rest were white. Carl picked up 5 red beads and 4 white beads. Carl said they had the same number of white beads. Is Carl correct? So there's a lot of parts to this, okay? So we're going to go it step by step together. So the first one says, oh, I got to do it over here. Okay, the first part says Jesse and Carl were comparing the beads they picked up. It says Jesse picked up 9 beads. Okay, he picked up 9 beads. So let's draw a little number bond to get us started. We're going to draw a little number bond to get us started. It said hi, Sean. It said he picked up 9 beads. So what's our hole? What's our hole? Who knows our hole? Oh, look, Tyler knows our hole. What's that? Sorry. No, you're good. Okay, I see your fingers. Yes, he had 9. It said he had 9. So here's my number bond so far. We know our hole is 9 because that's how many he picked up. That's what they told us. Apparently there are red and white beads though. Red and white beads. And it tells us that 5 of them were red. So I think we just got one of our parts, right? So we had 9 and 5 of them were red. It says the rest were white. The rest of them were white. So friends, hold up your 9 fingers. Hold up 9 fingers, okay? Look at your fingers. Look at them. Do you see a group of 5? Because it said 5 of them were red. Do you see a group of 5? Hey, Kylie. It's this whole hand, right? Put that whole hand of 5 down. What you got left? How many you got left? You don't have 5 left. You just put your 5 down. See, here's my 5. I put my 5 down. I see Sean's fingers. I see Kylie's and Tyler's. Yep. Yes, thank you, Desmond. He had 4 other ones. So how many of them were white? 4. See, you don't always need to draw a picture. You have your little counting sticks that are built into you that you'll never lose. You always have them. Oh, wait. Well, I hope you don't ever lose them. So if we have 9 and 5 of them were red, look, it's right there waiting for us. Okay, so then it's talking about Carl, because that was Jesse. If we talk about Carl, it says he picked up 5. So, or not all. Let's draw another number bond. Don't fill anything in. You should just have a blank number bond. See mine? Because this was Jesse, and now we're doing Carl. Okay, so Carl, they tell us information differently. It says that he has 5 red and 4 white. 5 red, so I'm going to fill those in. 5 red and 4 white. Does anybody notice anything about our parts on our number bonds? Look at this and look at this. Hey, Kaylee, what do you notice about our parts?
They switched around.
They what?
They switched around.
They're switched around, so we have 5 and 4 and 5 and 4. So tell me again what you noticed? They're not switched around, but 5 and 4 and 5 and 4. What do you notice about Jesse and Carl's?
They're the same.
They're the same. Excellent. Do we even need, Andy, hi Daniel and Charmaine, do we even need to use our fingers? No, we don't have to do it. We really don't have to do any math because we just see that we had 5 and 4 the last time and we got 9. 5 and 4, so it must equal how many? Show me with those fingers. What's their whole? Thank you, Kaylee. Thank you, Kylie. Yes, our whole for him is 9 also. So if we remember, this was Jesse and this was Carl. So Carl said they had the same number of white beads. Was he right? Thumb up or thumb down? Was he right? Yeah, not only do they have the same number of white beads, they also have the same number of red beads, and they have the same number altogether. They have the same whole. Everything's the same. 5, 4, 9, 5, 4, 9. Excellent. All righty. Hi, Jacob. Good morning. Okay. So you can either turn your paper over, get a new sheet of paper, whatever works best for you. I'm going to use a different whiteboard over here. Well, no, I'll use this one so I can still see you guys. All right, so today we're just going to practice using a number bond to make related addition and related subtraction problems. So we're going to stick with that number bond we just did. Of 9 is our whole, 5 is one part, 4 is the other. All right, this is what we're doing. So on your paper, go ahead and make this number bond. Daniel, come back to us. Thank you, Asia. Okay, and with these numbers, we're gonna make.
I don't have any paper.
You don't have any paper? That's okay, you can look with your eyes. We're gonna make 2 addition problems. And we're gonna make 2 subtraction problems. All right, well, let's just start with our 2 addition. Okay, who can give me an addition problem with our number bond? All your numbers are right there. All the information you need is right there in that number bond. Sean, give me an addition problem using these numbers.
5.
Okay. 5 plus
4
equals
9.
beautiful. See, he used those numbers right there. He didn't have to add anything. All your information is right here. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Make sure you have that written down. You should be keeping up with us. Hey, Kaden. Hey, Jacob, can you move your computer screen down just a smidge so I can see you a little better? Perfect. Now I can see you. Okay, who can give us the other related addition problem using these numbers? All right, Aaliyah, help us out.
4 plus 5 equals 9.
Excellent. She used the exact same numbers, right? She didn't use different numbers. All she did was took those parts and she swapped them. Hi, Mia. Okay, so 5 plus 4 equals 9 and 4 plus 5 equals 9. We used all the same numbers. Thank you, Kaylee. Yeah, let me see y'all's work so far. I like to see your papers. Thank you, Alexandria. Thank you, Kira and Travis. Thank you, Jacob and Deslin. Thank you, TJ and Aaliyah and Lauren. Perfect. Thank you, Sean. Thank you, Tyler. TJ, y'all right there? Oh, thank you, Kylie. Good job. Thank you, Charmaine and Kaden and Daniel. Oh, I get to put so many tickets in my bowl over here. Okay, so we're not done with these numbers yet. We're now going to make them into subtraction problems. We can use the exact same numbers to make 2 subtraction problems. But remember, for addition, it's part whole. But for subtraction, you start with your whole. So who can help me out by giving me our first subtraction problem using these numbers? Who can help me out? Alexandria, do you think you could help me? Okay, help me out. Okay, I heard 9 minus 4 equals 5, right? Isn't that what you said? Yeah. Okay. All right, so she started with our whole. 9 minus 4 equals 5. She used the exact same 3 numbers. Okay, what is a related subtraction problem? What is our related subtraction problem? So we can't say 9 minus 4 equals 5 again. It has to be different. Hi, Gabrielle. It has to be different this time. Kira, you want to help us out?
I miss you.
Oh, I miss you too, Gabrielle. So sweet. I'm glad you're here with us today.
9 plus 5 equals 4.
9 plus 5 or minus?
9 plus 5.
We're subtracting. So now, let's read this. 9
Minus
5 equals what?
4.
There we go. So see, all we did, we started with our whole again. Can you mute? We started with our whole again, and then we just took our 2 parts and we swapped them, right? Hi, Gustavo. 9 minus 5 equals 4. So we use the exact same. If you're just joining us, you do not have to try to catch up with this. We're going to do one more like this together. So you don't have to try to copy this down real quick. We're going to do a fresh new one together. So those were our 2 subtraction problems. Charmaine, did you go to sleep? Wakey, wakey. Eggs and bakey. All right, friends, I'm going to give you a new number bond. Remember, it's okay if you just joined us and didn't have a chance to copy that down because you're going to start with a fresh new one. All right. So if you need a new sheet of paper or to turn your paper over, go ahead and do that so you're ready. You can go ahead and draw your number bond. All right, this time, one of our parts is missing. All right, so we have our number bond, and we know our whole is 8, and the part that we have is 5. We need to figure out our missing part. How should we do that? Who has an idea? How do we find our missing part? Amia, what's your idea?
Count on.
Count on. I like that idea. So we're going to start with 5. We're going to start with 5 in our head. We're going to catch a 5 and we'll count on to 8 and see how many fingers we need to get there. Okay, are we ready to catch a 5? 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers did we need? 3. So we can go ahead and fill in our missing part. So 5 and 3 are our parts, and 8 is our whole. On your paper, go ahead and write an addition problem that matches that. Go ahead and write an addition problem that matches our number bond. And touch your nose when you've written your addition problem. So our parts are 5 and 3, and our whole is 8, and we're writing an addition problem to match. Remember, we're touching our nose after we do that. All right, Deslin, will you tell us your addition problem?
5 plus 3 equals 8.
Excellent. 5 plus 3 equals 8. Okay, if that is not exactly what you got, maybe some of your numbers are swapped around. Remember, it's not wrong. There's 2 different addition problems we could get out of this. Did anybody have a different one? Oh. Keelasha, what's the different one you came up with? Can you say it one more time? Remember, here's your parts. We already have 5 plus 3 equals 8. Let's try it the other way. What's our other addition problem? I couldn't quite hear you.
8.
Well, we want to, 8 is our whole. So 8's going to be last because that's our whole.
Yeah. And now.
So what can you do with these 2 numbers? Because we already have 5 plus 3. Remember, we need to swap them. So what's it going to be this time?
5 in the middle.
Oh, you want me to put 5 right here? So what goes right there?
And then 3.
3. So it reads 3 plus 5 equals 8. Same 3 numbers, we just swapped them around, right? All right, now on your paper, I want you to go ahead and write your matching subtraction problem. Here's my reminders. You're using the same 3 numbers. You're just using them in a different order. And remember, with subtraction, we start with our whole. You start with the whole. Addition, you end with the whole. Subtraction, you start with it. Touch your nose when you have a subtraction problem ready to share with us. All right, Tyler, what you got?
8 minus 8. Wait. 3 minus 8 equals 5.
Well, we want to start with our whole. So far I have 8 minus, what do you want to put here?
3.
3 equals what?
5.
There we go. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Maybe you had something different. Touch your nose if you had something different. All right, Gabrielle, what did you have that was different? Oh, 8 minus 5 equals 3. So see, she used the same exact numbers. She started with her whole like we do with subtraction. She just took those 2 parts and swapped them. Excellent. That's a great job, guys. So see, we used the same 3 numbers. We made 2 related addition facts, and we made 2 subtraction problems. Not super sure who came unmuted, but there aren't any other ones to use. All righty. Okay, so this, again, we filled in our missing part, and then we use those same 3 numbers to make our addition and subtraction problems. We just swap some things around, right? Right. Okie dokie. Let's look. There we go. Let's look at our classwork for today. Okay, so from here, from our Twinkly page, we want to click over here in the corner where it says class schedule. Yesterday was Monday, so who can tell me what today is? If yesterday was Monday, what is today? TJ, tell us. Hadn't heard from you this morning.
Tuesday.
Excellent. Today's Tuesday, so we're going to look under Tuesday. You guys have been to specials. We just did math, and so now it's time for lesson 38. We click on it. I think I'll just be Timothy. I'll be TJ since he answered my question. Type in your name, press continue. All right, so then we can watch this little video for a review. After that, we want to go on to the next page. We want to listen to our directions. I'm not sure. Hold on. Might not be able to hear it. Hold on a second.
Your favorite numbers. You're going to come up with your own subtraction sentence and a number bond to go with it. Do your best. Get creative with numbers.
All right, so Miss Snow was giving you directions there, and you're just going on these first two. You can pick any numbers you want. Any two parts in the whole, they have to go together. Okay, you can't have 7 and 3 and put 15 because 7 plus 3 does not equal 15. So you come up with your own number bond and you're going to write a subtraction sentence that matches it. You're going to come up with another number bond all on your own with a subtraction sentence that matches it. And then down here, you're going to do exactly what we just did. Look, they give you all of your numbers. They give you both parts and your whole. You're going to write addition, a subtraction and addition sentence. And then down here, you're going to write the other subtraction and addition sentence that matches it, okay? And that's it. Just the one page today. Try to make things a little shorter for us. Just that one single page. All right, let's look at our points. We meet again at 12 o'clock. So if we look at our schedule here, you are going to do your math work. You're going to have a little lunch time, and then we will do reading at 12 o'clock. Okay? All right, I need to give some points. And then we could do some tickets. All right, so my friends who were participating and stayed at the screen and weren't playing with stuff, I so appreciate you. Let me give some points. Okay. All right, so if you got a point, you're also getting a ticket on your, a ticket on your name. That's what I was about to say. A name on ticket to go in our jar here. And for a reminder, it says leaders only. So our goal this week is that we are staying on task while we're on Zoom. So that means we're not leaving the camera. That means we're not playing with other stuff. That means we're participating. And then each time I see you do that, I put your name on a ticket and I throw your name in this here jar. And then on Friday, when we have our morning meeting, I'll pick one of your names and that'll be our leader for the week. Okay, I have a prize in mind that we can do virtually. So you'll just have to wait until Friday to see what that might be. All right, let's see what kind of questions. And remember, this is the point where if you do not have a question and you're ready to hop off and get started on your math work, you can go ahead and do that. You can just do a silent wave and press leave. You don't have to tell me that you're leaving. You could just go ahead and leave. For my roomies in the classroom, if you're ready to hop off and get to your math work, you too can do that, okay? All right, if you have a question, Kaylee, what's your question? Lauren, I just said you don't unmute. Just told you that.
And I'm gonna wait until I get 20 points.
You're gonna wait till you get 20 points?
Yeah, because I want to do a director drawing.
Ooh, that would be so fun.
Because no one picks it and I love drawing.
You're right, no one's done that yet. That would be fun. All right, Sean, I saw your hand up. What's your question? Or what did you want to share with us?
I had Judas.
Cool.
It's right there.
Neato. Hey, are you at your new house?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're all moved in?
Yes.
Awesome. Nice. That's nice that you're doing your schoolwork outside. Wish we could do that.
I'm doing it outside because I didn't have no internet in the house.
Oh, gotcha. But it's a nice cool, well, it's not cool, but it's a warm day, so at least it's not too cold or too hot. So perfect. Yes, Jacob.
My dad got a real life ninja sword.
No.
Yeah.
What's he gonna do with that?
I don't know. He chopped some stuff up.
Oh, for like yard work and stuff.
Yeah,
Like-
but that is razor sharp.
Oh man, well, you're not gonna play with that, are you?
Nope.
Nope. Good. We don't want you to lose any fingers. All right. Yes, Keelasha?
Can I change my character? Because my birthday's on Halloween.
Your birthday's on the 26th, right? Right?
October 26th.
Yes. Right before Halloween. Oh man, your friends behind you are loud, huh? Okay, let me see. You don't have quite enough points yet. Remember, you have to have 15 points to change your monster, okay? So we got to keep collecting points and then you can change it. Sound good? Okay. Yes, Daniel? You got to unmute, bud.
My GP had to babysit me first.
Say it again.
I ain't too old. My GP had to babysit me because I ain't too older to stay at the house myself.
Thank you so much. Oh, you have a babysitter today?
GP is my grand, but actually my daddy died. That's why I call him my daddy.
Oh, okay. All right. Where's your mom today?
He gonna see the night getting my little sister ready, and I after I maybe might gonna miss this one.
Oh, okay. All righty. Okay. Alexandria, what do you want to share with us?
Can I spend my points?
Sure. How many points do you have? 21. What would you like?
Have lunch with the teacher.
Lunch with the teacher. Let's make sure you have enough. I can't remember sometimes how much stuff is worth. All right, lunch with the teacher is 30 points. So you could keep saving or you could do something different.
Do something different.
Okay, so for, how many did I say you had? 21? Okay, so for 20 points, you could do a show and tell, a guest reader, a mailed note from me, a dance party, a dress-up day, or change your monster.
Dance party.
Dance party. All right, girl. Sounds fun. Okay. All right, so we will. I wrote Dancy. Dance party. We'll try to do that later today, okay? Probably Miss Pistoria. She'd be heartbroken if she didn't get to do our dance party. So we'll wait for Miss Pistoria, okay?
All right, friends. I will make sure you hop off and get to your math work, and I'll see you at 12, okay? Bye.
I got a balloon.
Bye. I see your balloon. Bye, y'all.